Welcome to the installation video of Kentrol's hood catches for Jeep's 2018 to current JL Wrangler. Step 1. Remove your vehicle's existing hood catches according to the manufacturer's instructions. Step 2. Starting with the hood, orient the catch so that the two hooks point up. Put the rubber protector and the catch in place and secure it using 2 nylock nuts and 2 bolts with a 10mm socket and a 4mm Allen. Step 3. Place the rubber protector, followed by the lever assembly, into its respective slot. Using a 13mm wrench or socket, secure it with a flat washer, followed by a nylock nut. Repeat on the opposite side. Step 4. Using a 7mm Allen, adjust the fit of each catch by tightening and loosening the lever. We suggest you apply thread locker to the adjustment bolt first for added security. Ensure all your hardware is secured and you're done. Enjoy your Kentrol hood catches.